Well, magandang gabi sa bawat isa. Gabi ngayon dito. Ang karap ko ay isang alkansya na dumating sa aking punto. I come to the point that when I was in the hospital during that time, I'm thinking and praying about how I can help some Maasai group in Tanzania, which is under the group of Pastor John Coronel. And I came to the point that I need to save money for them. And I promise to God that whatever change that I have, coin of 5 pesos, 10 pesos, and 20 pesos, I will put it here. And when it's full already, I will send it to Pastor John for the help in the Maasai group, Maasai tribe. And come to the point, it is now time to open this because they will be having a first leaders and workers conference, if I'm not mistaken, this coming September. So maybe whatever amount that in this alkansya, I hope it could be help to those leaders. It is from my heart. I put it here. We love the Messiah. We love the work of Pastor June because Pastor June opened my mind and our heart in regards to mission field. And when we are in Tanzania, Pastor June showed the very wide place and the group of Maasai. We love them and we can pray for them. And my wife, who is now in heaven, they love that group. So I hope and pray that this small amount could be help for them. Wow! Hanggang nakangalay pala dito. It's 4,550. Yes, 4,550 para sa Tanzanian leaders. But I received some last Sunday. Some bills, so I will double this and will send it to Pastor June. Maybe a close of I will not mention, but I will send it to Pastor Jun. Only this coin is 4,550. It will reach up to the country of Tanzania to help the first leaders and workers conference that initiated by Pastor John Coronel. I salute him for his hard work in that area. And hopefully by the grace of God, by the year end of this 2024, I will be again in Tanzania. Looking forward for that day, the last week of, on the last month of 2023. Again, I will be in Tanzania. I hope and pray, Pastor June, that this small amount could be helped to your people. Thank you and God bless you.